Psychology shows that one of the most soul-crushing experiences isn't rejection. It's being accepted only after someone else became unavailable. If you were never the favorite, never the priority, and never the first call, this video explains how that experience rewired your brain. 1. Hyper-awareness of social cues. Studies prove that constantly being the backup option develops an extreme ability to read people. You notice a split-second delay in a text response, a slight shift in tone, or a cold look. This isn't anxiety. Your brain simply learned that distance arrives quietly, and you sense it long before others even admit it's there. 2. Adaptive solitude and hyper-independence. When emotional support is inconsistent, the brain adopts a strategy of autonomy. People like this stop waiting for a rescue or external validation. You learn to process pain alone, solve problems alone, and celebrate wins in silence. You don't avoid help, you've just learned not to trust that it'll be there tomorrow. 3. The irreplaceable person syndrome. Attachment psychology explains that when a person grows up feeling replaceable, they overcompensate by trying to become essential. You give more time, more empathy, and more energy than you receive. This isn't a character flaw. It's a subconscious attempt to prove your worth in a world where love always felt conditional. 4. A deep fear of being temporary. Psychologists link this experience to a core belief: I can be replaced at any moment. Because of this, you often suppress your needs, avoid conflict, or settle for less than you deserve. You don't fear being alone, you fear being quietly phased out of the picture. 5. Invisible emotional endurance. Resilience research shows that people who have faced chronic emotional neglect have a higher emotional threshold. You don't panic when plans fall apart, and you don't break down over disappointments. Your strength is quiet. You're used to seeing people leave, so their exit no longer shocks you. 6. Prioritizing safety over passion. When affection feels unstable, the brain begins to value predictability over intensity. You don't need grand promises or emotional roller coasters. You look for honesty, consistency, and effort. Being chosen once means nothing to you. True value is being chosen every single day. If this video felt painfully accurate, you're not alone. Psychology helps you see patterns where you once only saw your own flaws. Once you recognize the pattern, you can stop blaming yourself. Subscribe if you want to understand human behavior for what it actually is.